Does this work on rubber mulch? That is the question that I am going to try to get answered for myself and you as well if you're looking for that answer in this video. The folks at Covington Naturals were nice enough to send me a bottle of their brown mulch dye. I'm just really curious if this stuff is going to work on my brown rubber mulch. So I'm basically going to use my Ortho dial-in sprayer and put 3 ounces of the Covington dye into 28 ounces of the water just for testing purposes to see how it actually works before I go spraying all of my mulch. Ugh, it doesn't smell good. Messy as well. Wear gloves. Quick note, the bottle 100% says brown. I had to double check that because when I went to clean up some of the spill, it totally looks black. But here's hoping it's actually gonna come out brown. So I've decided to test this little area right here from the flag on over because it'll be easy to compare it to what's beside it and just easy to mark. Okay, per the instructions, I'm gonna let this dry for 30 minutes and come back and see the results. Wet, it looks great. Let's see what it looks like when it dries up. So there is a difference. It does look a little cleaner. You can see going from here, all of this over here. It looks cleaner than that side. Darker, nicer, fresh. That's a pretty good refresh on this rubber mulch. That concludes this little experiment. And as far as I'm concerned, the rubber mulch refresh is looking pretty good. So I'm gonna do the rest of the mulch. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this was helpful to you. Catch you the next time.